A carburetor mixes air and petrol in the correct ratio to ensure complete combustion, meaning that the fuel is burnt efficiently, releasing all of its energy. If the carburetor isn't tuned properly, the engine receives the wrong fuel to air ratio, leading to poor performance and possible damage to the engine. Now, let's look at an animation of how a carburetor works. The blue arrows represent air flowing into the top of the carburetor from the car's air intake. The amount of air allowed in is controlled by the choke. In the center of the pipe, the air is forced through a narrow space called the venturi. This causes the pressure to drop and the air to speed up. A suction on the floor chamber is created through the drop in air pressure, which draws in more petrol. A valve called the throttle is present at the bottom. Its job is to swivel to either open or close the pipe. As the throttle is opened bit by bit, more of the air-petrol mixture travels to the engine cylinder, which produces more energy and makes the car accelerate. As the float feed chamber empties, the float in the chamber falls and opens the valve, which then has more petrol come in from the main tank. Once it's replenished, the float rises to close the valve again, and that is basically how a carburetor works.